15 habits that keep you broke and how to break them. Most people think being broke is just about not having money, but the truth runs deeper. It's not just about what you earn, it's about what you do. Every single day. Welcome to Opulex, where we unpack success, mindset, and the psychology of wealth. Today we're diving into 15 habits silently keeping you broke and exactly how to break free from them. Let's begin. 1. Living paycheck to paycheck. You earn money, and by the end of the month, it's gone. You repeat the cycle: no savings, no cushion, no peace of mind. Automate your savings. Even if it's just 5%, start building a habit, not just a balance. 2. Upgrading your lifestyle. With every raise, you earn more. And suddenly, you're driving better, eating fancier, and spending freely. Your raise didn't improve your life. It inflated your expenses. Keep your lifestyle the same for 6 months after any raise. Save the difference. Let it stack. 3. Ignoring your expenses. Ever said, "I don't even know where my money goes"? That's the first red flag. Track every cent for 30 days. Awareness creates control. Control creates options. 4. Making minimum payments on debt. Minimum payments are a trap. You're not reducing debt, you're feeding interest. Use the snowball method to gain momentum or avalanche method for mathematical savings. But choose and commit. 5th, impulse spending. One click, one swipe, one unplanned spend. You just traded future freedom for 10 seconds of dopamine. Pause. Wait 24 hours before buying anything unplanned. Chances are you won't even want it anymore. 6. Not investing. Saving money is smart, but not investing, that's where the trap is. Inflation eats idle cash. Investing multiplies it. Learn about index funds, ETFs, or even beginner-friendly robo-advisors. Start small, but start now. 7. Comparing yourself to others. Scrolling Instagram, watching their life, and suddenly you feel behind. Turn comparison into inspiration. Focus on progress, not perfection. 8. Avoiding financial conversations. We don't talk about money. Then don't be surprised when money controls you. Read one finance book. Have one honest money conversation. Start the shift. 9. Always relying on credit. If your credit card is your backup plan, pause. You're not stable. You're surviving. Build an emergency fund, even if it's just $100. Every empire started with a foundation. 10. Not having a budget. Budgets sound restrictive, but in truth, they're your freedom map. Use a simple budgeting app or the envelope method. Tell your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. 11th, not asking for more. If you're too afraid to ask for a raise, to raise your prices, you're choosing to stay stuck. Learn negotiation. Know your worth. Speak it, then back it up. 12th, wasting time instead of monetizing it. Netflix, TikTok, endless scrolling. Trade 1 hour a day for building a skill, a course, a side hustle. Make time your partner, not your thief. 13th, poor circle of influence. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely. Seek out those who challenge you, who talk ideas, not gossip. Growth, not drama. 14, fear of learning about money. Finance seems complicated, overwhelming, so you avoid it. Start light, YouTube channels, podcasts, Instagram reels. Let learning be slow, but steady. 15, settling. The deadliest habit? Telling yourself, "This is just how life is." Challenge the ceiling. Aim higher. Even if you miss, you'll land somewhere better than stuck. Being broke isn't always your fault. But staying broke? That becomes a choice. Start with one habit. Win one small battle, then stack the wins. This is Opulex. Your upgrade begins here. Smash that like button if you felt this. Subscribe for weekly mindset, money, and lifestyle clarity. And if you stayed till the end, here's your bonus. Not taking action. You watched this video. Now what? Knowledge without action is just potential energy. So do something. Anything. Just don't stay the same. Opulex, where future success gets built, one decision at a time.